A crisp Saturday morning in the UK, and I decide impromptu to vlog my day. Despite the frosty start, I get ready to take my daughter to a birthday party. Today, my friend Anuja is celebrating her son and daughter's birthday together. I arrive at the party and I can't believe my eyes. My friend has laid out an incredible spread of home cooked snacks. I'm always grateful to find authentic Indian food in the UK. By the way, this is the first birthday party where I have spotted Indian street food like dal pakwan and misal pav, all cooked from scratch. It's a huge effort, especially if you're in the West. If you know, you know. And as the winter harvest festival of Makar Sankranti is here, my friend performs a Bornan ceremony on her two children. After all the fun was had, Aura decides to showcase her Apatia dance steps. Have you tried the viral Apatia dance yet? I come home feeling inspired and grateful to be connected to my Indian roots. The weather outside is perfect for a winter walk in the countryside, but I'm craving the festive favorite, Tilachi Papdi. It's a sesame and jaggery brittle that's traditionally made during Makar Sankranti in Indian households. I also make tirgurachi vadi or sesame peanut flapjack as my husband calls it, and that recipe is on my blog. I'll link it in the description down below for you. So here I've toasted 1 cup of sesame seeds for about 3 to 4 minutes over a low to medium flame, making sure they don't go brown. Lightly toasting them like this enhances their nutty flavor and aroma and improves the shelf life of the brittle. Now melt a tablespoon of ghee into a hot pan and add a cup of jaggery. I don't have any regular pale colored jaggery in my larder, so I'm making do with dark powdered jaggery. Feel free to use any jaggery you like. But if you're using powdered jaggery, bear in mind it will melt quickly and will soon start frothing up. At this stage, it's worth checking how brittle and caramelized it has become by dropping it in water. If it makes a clanking sound in the bowl and feels hard to touch, your jaggery is ready for the next step. Pop the toasted sesame seeds into the pan, followed by half a teaspoon of ground cardamom and a pinch of grated nutmeg. Switch off the flame and mix it thoroughly. Be quick to drop the hot mixture onto grease-proof paper and fold. Flatten it out using a rolling pin. Be sure to press it down as you roll. If you're looking to make really thin papad-like brittle, which is how Tilachi Papdi should be, then feel free to remove the excess mixture like I've done here and roll it out separately in smaller batches. Once rolled, you can see how quickly the brittle sets. Even if the remaining mixture in the pan hardens up, you will still be able to flatten it using the rolling pin. But if you can't, warm up the mixture a little before rolling it again. See how it hardens up once cooled. Like I said, I also made Tilachi Papdi using smaller portions of the mixture. Simply drop a tablespoon of warm mixture onto the paper and roll it out. They turn out deliciously crunchy. And because the jaggery was dark to begin with and cooked to a point where it almost becomes bitter, this sesame brittle has a lovely balance of rich, nutty and not overpoweringly sweet flavor, just the way I like it. It's delicate, brittle and so easy to break. You'll find the recipe down below. I promise you won't be disappointed. It just melts in the mouth. So Moorish. I got my best critic to taste it as well. She not only gave me a thumbs up, but also said this.
Tirgur gya.
Ani?
Ani gur bola. Tirgur gya.
Ani good bola.
Ani gur bola. Mommy, it's great. It's so yummy. What kind of seeds are they?
Sesame seeds.
Oh. And what's the dark thing? Jaggery?
Jaggery.
Okay.
That's right. Can you hear the crunch? I can hear the crunch.
Crunch.
Can you hear the crunch?
Crunch.
I want to hear the crunch.
Crunch. Did you hear the crunch?
Eat it again. Then I can hear.
And crunch.
Thank you for watching my video till the end. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It doesn't cost you anything to like and subscribe, but it'll help my videos reach more people who might benefit from this recipe. See you next time.